I've been asked many times, what are the common mistakes people make when they're involved in an auto wreck with injury in Oklahoma? The first one that comes to mind is that people believe that they're not really that hurt, that it's going to go away quickly. They don't want to make a problem by making a claim. They don't want to cause the person to hit them by making a claim. And so they don't seek medical treatment. They try to be tough. I'm not really hurt, I'll be okay. Then in 3, 4, 5 weeks, the problems manifest itself and it's gotten a lot worse. And then they go to a doctor and they make a claim and they make statements to the doctor. Insurance company will use that lack of seeking treatment in a timely fashion against you. That gap of 4 or 5 weeks, they're saying, well, if you really would have been hurt, you would have sought treatment immediately. So seek treatment immediately, seek an evaluation immediately, even if you don't think you're really hurt that bad at the time. Get to a doctor, make a record, make a path that your attorney can follow someday if you do need to make a claim. The second mistake people make is they don't tell their doctors everything. Make sure you tell your doctors your history. If you've hurt your back 6 years earlier and you hurt your back again in this wreck, that's okay. Tell them. Don't not disclose something because you think it's going to hurt your case. Full disclosure is always the best. Just because they have caused a wreck and you've aggravated a pre-existing condition, that's okay. That's not going to hurt your case. Not telling a doctor about a previous back injury might hurt your case. So be honest with your doctor, be honest with your attorney. Another mistake people make is they don't hire a lawyer soon enough. They think, well, I don't want to hire a lawyer. Lawyers just get in the way and they'll drag it out and we won't be able to get this case settled quickly. The odds are you're not going to sell your case quickly for the adequate amount of money. Insurance companies aren't going to offer you an adequate, fair amount to begin with. Hire a lawyer so he can help you navigate through this. Don't think that you can do it yourself. You can't. There's just too many things to worry about. Another mistake people make is that when they get to the accident scene, right after the wreck, there's people there that come up. Make sure you take pictures of people maybe. Make sure you get their name and their address, their phone numbers, people that come and help you get you out of the car. Get all that information because this is a transient world now. People move a lot. They relocate a lot. They travel a lot. So someone who sees the wreck might be from Memphis, Tennessee, and they're leaving town that day. Don't hesitate to ask people for their names and addresses. And if you want to, just give them your cell phone and have them type in their name and cell phone and save them as a contact. They'll do that. So get names of your witnesses, take pictures of the scene, and make sure you download those and save them. Another thing that mistakes people make in auto wrecks in Oklahoma is that oftentimes they might be on the phone when the wreck happens, and that's not totally a bad thing, especially if you have Bluetooth. So don't immediately try to delete stuff off your phone so the policeman won't see it. That's not going to work, okay? So just be cognitive of your cell phone as evidence. Make sure you save your text messages from the time before and after the wreck. Make sure you keep a record of your phone records as well. That's becoming a bigger issue. The other issues, mistakes people make in car wreck cases is sometimes I don't think they really take their injuries serious enough. And if you don't take care of a minor injury, sometimes it can get into a more serious injury. And that's a problem because our main goal is to get you back into life, get you back into your schedule, your routine. The sooner you address your problem, the sooner you can get it fixed by medical treatment and medical professionals.